Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the DIY Detail 1 year graphene spray coating, which I received from diydetailing.eu. However, it's not a paid advert. You are going to hear and see my honest opinion as usual. The car is like a 1.5 month old. It was bought brand new from the salon, and I'm just going to do a pre-wash and the wash. You are not going to see that on this video. But other than that, I'm not going to do any other preparation. I'm not going to do panel wipe. I'm not going to polish, no, nothing. As I said, the car is literally new. And I'm going to use the sprayer because you can either spray or drip it. I will do on this one, as I said, without any extra preparation with the sprayer, and we will see how long it lasts. And at another time, I'm going to try it on an older car, which I'm going to polish, and I'm going to drip it on an applicator and so on and so on. But as I said, right now, it will be the sprayer. Let's roll. Got the neighbors sitting, knocking on the floor. Got the neighbors sitting, knocking. Got the neighbors sitting.
Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. Keep on acting out like strangers. Scream out loud. I will go if nothing changes. So change your heart. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. My kingdom on lockdown. You never give me any chance. Watch me on my way out. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.
Alrighty, boys and girls, that was the DIY Detail 1 year graphene spray coating. Scent-wise, it has this typical solvent smell for the carrier liquid, but other than that, it was super easy to apply, super easy to buff. It was easier to use than like a standard quick detailer. It gave a very nice slickness to the surface, and it increased the shine like crazy. And also it has a very nice water beading. How long is it going to last? We will see. As I said, I didn't prepare the car other than pre-wash and wash and drying, but it's a new car. But yeah, we will see. I applied it at the beginning of April 2026, so you can ask me later on if it still holds up. Other than that, it looks a good stuff, so I can hands on heart recommend. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.